No more Chick Fil A sauce for us.
We're making our own.
Hey kids, my name is Zaya.
And I'm Muhammad.
And she is Honey. Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious, and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
Let's get started! Wash your hands. Ingredients are
2 tablespoons of vegan eggs,
2 tablespoons of pure raw local honey,
2 tablespoons of organic ketchup with no sugar added,
1 tablespoon of mustard,
half a tablespoon of white vinegar and freshly squeezed lemon.
The reason we are using this vegan mayonnaise is because it has a much lighter taste,
with less fat and cholesterol, and there is no eggs in it.
The Chick Fil A sauce has lots of sodium and fat, caramel colors, fillers. It also has preservatives, which can trap fat in your body.
Corn syrup, which can lead to diabetes, heart disease, obesity, and cancer. And now to the enlightenment board. Very simple.
Only 6 ingredients.
We're using organic and local ingredients that you can read and pronounce.
No natural flavors, caramel colors, GMO, fillers, or preservatives.
Much tastier than the original. This week's shout out goes to...
Thank you for your support.
Bismillah.
Here we go.
Thank you. Can't wait to try this. Here you go.
thank you, Aya.
Welcome. Wow, this is amazing. Sauce is so amazing. Take our word for it. Try it. You won't regret it.
It's good, Aya.
Way better than the Chick Fil A sauce.
It's good, Hamuda.
Yep, so good.
I can eat this all day.
It's good.
Comment down below your favorite sauces so we can make it healthier.
Help us make a difference in what kids eat by joining the SDA squad today.
Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads.
Tag SDH on Instagram whenever you make any of our delicious recipes.
I really hope you guys enjoy this video.
Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing,
liking,
and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle, grandma, friends, neighbors.
I think we got it. And as always,
Simple, delicious, and healthy.
it also has preservatives which can trap fat in your body.
And corn syrup, which can lead to obesity, diabetes, heart cancer.
Heart cancer. It also has preservatives which can trap fat in your body.
Action! Let's get started. Oops, not that. Let's. What's that? Look at it. Whoa! Whoa! No.
2 tablespoons of vegan eggs.
2
tablespoons of vegan eggs.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of vegan eggs.
2 tablespoons. It also has diabetes.